This dish is great when you're on a diet or if you want to cook for your family and friends, something simple but flavorful. When buying whole fish, you have to look for bright and clear eyes, not cloudy. Smell it. Fresh fish should smell like clean water and a fresh smell of the sea. Skin should be shiny, moist, and unfaded. If there is a liquid on the fish, it should be clear and not milky. Press the meat with your fingers. It should spring back to its original shape, leaving no indentation. If you don't have the confidence to clean the fish yourself, ask your fishmonger to clean and scale the fish for you. Let's preheat the oven first to 180 degrees Celsius. Transfer the fish to a chopping board. Pat fish dry with paper towel. Now I'm going to remove the fins. Using a very sharp knife, I'm going to cut 3 slits diagonally on both sides of the fish, 2 inches long. You cut all the way through the bone. Make sure the slits are 1 inch apart. Other side. I'm going to squeeze some lemon juice all over the fish. Season it with salt. Make sure to season inside the fish as well. And cavity. Season the other side. Add some cayenne pepper. I love adding cayenne pepper to my fish dishes. It gives a delicious spicy punch. Fill the fish with slices of red onions and some lemons. And the cavity as well. Transfer the fish to a baking dish. Pour some olive oil on both sides of the fish. Now for the marbled potatoes, add some olive oil. Season it with salt and black pepper. Mix it well. Put the potatoes on the sides of the fish. Bake the fish in the oven, and for this size, it will take about 40 minutes. Let's remove the fish from the oven. Let it rest for a few minutes before serving. While the fish is resting, let's saute some vegetables for our side dish, and this will only take 5 minutes. Turn on the heat to medium, add some olive oil, add the garlic. Time to add the shiitake mushrooms. Mushroom cooks longer than green beans, that's why I'm sauteing it first. Add the green beans. Add more oil. Season it with salt and pepper. Continue to cook green beans until crispy and tender. Transfer to a plate. Our baked red snapper and sauteed green beans and shiitake mushrooms are ready. Let's give it a try. The fish is perfectly cooked. Let's check the potatoes, vegetables. This dish is very easy to make, so simple but impressive.